Today I'm going to share with you how to change an air filter in an air conditioning unit. Alright, first off you're going to want to locate the container of the trap door, if you will. The air filter is just inside. Now, I'm going to be more careful putting it in, but you see how dirty this is. Oh my gosh. Alright, so that's the dirty one. Alright, and let me reach in the front here. This is the clean one. So you see the difference here. I'm going to show you side by side. Dirty, clean. Alright, so let's make arrangements to get the clean one inside now. Okay, so I've located the arrow, the correct position for this to work. So we'll go ahead and now open up the door again, close the door, turn the unit back on, and you're ready to rock and roll. Okay, so that's how you change out an air filter in an air conditioning. Breathe fresh, clean air. Yay! See you next time. By the way, before you go, I want to encourage you to watch other DIY home improvement videos just like this one, and then come and discover what we're doing on the Handyman Toolbox with features just like these. See you there.